how to turn on Google Chat notification, also how to turn off Google Chat notification. So how to change it? In the setting, there is an option is notification. Let's say if we go to the setting, and then you can see there is a notification option. From here you can change notification types like allow chat notification on desktop. Also you can change notification sounds. From here you can change notification sound. So you can set email notification, like you will get notification for unread direct message, like you missed any message, then it will be send an email. You can set here do not disturb schedule, like if you are work for 8 hours, like you are working in morning, so you want to change the do not disturb schedule, like if you click here from 7 to 7 a.m. and also dates, if you select, then these times you will not get any notification. If you just click save and click here. Thank you.